Consider how much money you can make by pressing a few buttons on a mobile phone or computer to make money without any skills or experience. Now imagine that you can do this every day, indefinitely. It sounds pretty cool, right? This method is completely free and accessible to anyone. So please pay close attention to the 2 specific recommendations that we will share with you in this video. If you missed any of them, subscribe strategy will not be profitable. We will walk you through the whole process, we will help you enhance your skills, and we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
This is Money Masters. If you want to stay updated on new online money-making methods, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to get you notified whenever I upload new videos. This channel is open to all opinions, so feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.
Now, let's begin. Today we will be using Pytera.com. It is actually a website to make money online. However, before we visit that website, we strongly advise you to watch this video as we have covered a great deal of information, including how to sign up for free bonuses and tips for increasing your income quickly. We will also be showing you a detailed example as well as discuss one error you should avoid at all costs in order to successfully cash out now. So let us now visit their homepage. Pytera will compensate you for completing surveys. You can convert your time into cash and the payout is quick. You can expect to be paid immediately after registering, and there are no restrictions based on country. Basically, the surveys may be completed on a computer or mobile device. Exactly. Because of this, we adore this website. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold of $5, you can immediately begin cashing out your funds and you will be paid the following day. Additionally, you have access to an unlimited number of daily jobs, allowing you to earn as much as you desire daily. As you can see, Pytera.com offers a variety of opportunities to earn money on a single website. You can sign up for various tasks, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends and write articles to earn extra cash. They currently have over 930,000 members who have completed over 7.8 million tasks and have distributed over 1 million payouts to individuals all over the world. So stay tuned because we will teach you how to make money in a similar fashion. And we will show you hundreds and hundreds of payment proofs demonstrating that people are profiting repeatedly from this website. You can join immediately and begin earning money with this strategy. Establish your free account. Simply click the blue hyperlink at the top of the page which says Create Account. You will then be redirected to a page where you can create a free account and start earning money. Before clicking Sign Up and Create My Account, you must simply enter your name, username, email address and password. It's that easy. After creating an account, you can begin earning money by completing surveys, downloading apps, completing tasks, inviting friends, and uploading videos, among other activities. We will demonstrate to you how to do this properly. You can take advantage of a variety of services with your unlimited surveys, and new surveys are added daily. Simply click the refresh button to see additional surveys, and we do understand your thoughts. These surveys cost from 15 to 90 cents and it's not a lot of money. However, this is where the fun begins. Allow us to illustrate how it can substantially increase your income only from this website. We will walk you through a live demonstration and show you exactly how to start earning money by clicking on buttons.
Wait a minute. Are you finding it useful? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified of our future uploads.
Now let's continue. This time we will be providing an example for the survey. On the left side you can see surveys. Simply click on the first button labeled CPX Research Surveys. Now you can see a lot of surveys on the right side. You can immediately begin taking surveys by clicking any of the buttons. Furthermore, you're not required to answer anything seriously. For instance, the first question here is about your year of birth. You can simply type the year. Now click the arrow button. And then answer simple questions like month of birth, date of birth, age, etc. This button is quite concealed at the bottom of the page, so ensure that you click it once more. For the subsequent question, simply click on whatever you wish, down the page and click the next button. Once you completed the survey, the said amount will be credited to your account immediately. You can repeat this process for multiple surveys. If you wish to earn more money, there are thousands of available surveys. However, you may be wondering why this website pays you for simply pressing buttons. Is it legitimate, efficient, or a fraud? The answer is that they do so in order to display advertisements on their website. They want you to accidentally click on the advertisement so that they can profit, which is why they attempt to place as many ads as possible on a single page. For example, if we accidentally click on this ad on this Piter advertisement, they will profit. The truth is that they want you to continue visiting their websites and clicking the continue button in the hope that you will click one of their advertisements so they can profit. No one else has explained it to you, to our knowledge. Now, to save time, however, you should always scroll to the very bottom of the website and click continue. Then you can repeat the same process repeatedly. Occasionally, it will ask you a random question. Simply select any of the available options. Continue by clicking next. This website encourages users to sign up, press button and complete surveys in order to earn money, as long as they perform the action correctly. Additionally, they will generate revenue from the paid advertisements on their website. Therefore, it's basically a win-win scenario. The best course of action is to ignore these advertisements, as they only serve to confuse you. Instead, scroll to the bottom of the page and click continue. You can navigate multiple paths on this website and continue to earn money by clicking on buttons. We are aware that many of you are from other countries. Therefore, for this opportunity, all countries are accepted to allow you to work on that platform. And there are no country-specific restrictions on Piter. So technically, you can work as much as you want. And the more services you offer, the more money you will make. One more important bonus tip follows after completing all surveys. You can continue taking them by refreshing the page and waiting for new ones to appear. You can either continue to check on them or receive a notification within your account. Then they will demonstrate their new service that you can utilize. The key is to nearly repeat the procedure we just demonstrated. Simply click the continue option to continue printing currency. And that's it for today.
If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please let me know which country you're watching this video from so I can create more content for you and others in your country. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.